Welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. I'm doing a series on finding hidden fonts or more fancy fonts to be able to improve your graphics or your digital products or your social media graphics that you're putting out. And so this video, I'm going to be going over how to find the gold type fonts. And as you can see here, I already have an example of something that I created using the gold fonts. As you can see, it gives it a more complex, more professional look to it if you're creating that you're not just using the regular fonts that they have. So we have this sales that I created. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can get the same effect or be able to use these fonts in your graphics that you're creating. If you could do me a favor and please like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you have been enjoying my content. I do have a playlist of over 20 videos. If you are a beginner to Canva, my channel is for that, to be able to help you to be able to generate income from Canva. So be it by creating digital products or creating graphics or being a social media manager, I've done all of these things and I've been using Canva since 2019 to make money. So we're going to go ahead and what you're going to do is go over to elements and you're going to go ahead and just type in gold font. And some of these fonts you do have to have a pro account. As you can see, it has this little crown here. There are a few, like the one that I use for the sales, that do not require a pro account, so you can use that as well. Um, as I can see here, that is pretty much the only one that you don't need a pro account for. I do recommend that you go ahead and invest in a pro account. Like I said in my last video, it is $12.99 a month, but if you plan on generating income from this, then it is worth it because it opens the door to so many different elements. So what you're going to do is when you find one that you like, you're going to go ahead and hit View Collection. And this allows you to see all of the fonts within that particular collection. And you can go ahead and copy this set so that you can save this to be able, any design that you're creating, if you want to use this font, you can already have it saved. And then you're going to go back over here to elements and you're going to get the font that you desire. And you're going to go through the letters and be able to just create the word that you are wanting to create. And you can add this to whatever that you're creating. Whether this is a social media post or if you're designing an element, a banner for a website, and you want letters to look more professional or stand out, you can go ahead and do that. And then you're going to put it together. You're going to go ahead and highlight it, hit group, and that way you're able to size it and move it around your whatever you're designing more easier. And you can put this on whatever you're creating. And so that's how you're going to be able to create this font with the gold. And like I said, you can do this with any of these. You're going to go back to the gold font and you can select whichever one you want. Let's say if you were doing a balloon, maybe if you're doing a birthday graphic, you can have that one. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing, hit View Collection and copy the set as well. We're going to go back over here to the elements. There's a few of them. Maybe if you want this one instead. This one is not part of a collection. So you want to try to pick one that is a part of a collection so that you can know that you have things that are cohesive. Same with this one. You can go ahead and copy that set and go ahead and start creating your text that you want to add to your graphic. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'm dropping videos every single week, and like I said, I'm going to be doing different series to help you to be able to make money online using Canva. Have a great day. Bye-bye.